Welcome back to Tech Cut, your go-to channel for the latest tech and gadget reviews. We're diving into some must-have Amazon gadgets that are perfect for 2024. From golfing excellence to a smarter kitchen, we've got you covered. Make sure to check the links in the description for easy Amazon purchases. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech reviews every week. Now, let's get into the action with today's top 5 products you won't want to miss. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, the Callaway Golf 300 Pro Laser Rangefinder will change the way you play. Imagine being able to measure slopes, inclines, and declines effortlessly, no more guessing the distance. With 6x magnification, this rangefinder offers precision with a range of up to 1,000 yards and accuracy to within a yard. It's equipped with pin acquisition technology (PAT) that locks onto the pin from 300 yards away, so you can always be confident in your shot. What makes this even better? Its Magna Hold cart mount allows you to easily attach it to your golf cart, keeping it within reach at all times. And don't worry about tournaments, the slope feature can be turned off for legal play. This is an absolute must-have for any golf lover. Parents, this one is for you. The Fisher-Price toddler learning toy isn't just a chair. It's an interactive learning experience. As soon as your child sits down, the chair plays songs and phrases, helping them learn everything from numbers to colors, shapes, and opposites. It even has smart stages technology, meaning the learning content adapts as your child grows. This brightly colored chair features a light-up pretend TV remote, an illustrated flipbook, and a secret lift-up seat cushion with surprises hidden underneath. It's the perfect way to strengthen fine and gross motor skills while also teaching cause and effect. Trust us, your toddler will have hours of fun with this engaging and educational toy. Pet owners, you know how tough it is to keep your home free of pet hair. Enter the Shark Cordless Handheld Vacuum Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus. This lightweight, portable vacuum packs a punch with 2 ultra-powerful cyclonic air streams for incredible suction. Weighing only 2.8 pounds, this vacuum makes cleaning pet hair from upholstery, floors, and even car interiors a breeze. The best part, it comes with a self-cleaning pet power brush, which ensures no hair gets tangled up in the brush roll. Plus, the XL dust cup means fewer trips to the trash bin. This little powerhouse is cordless, comes with washable filters, and includes a scrubbing brush and crevice tool for all those hard-to-reach places. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? The new Wabi Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a game-changer. With 140 presets, 12 cooking functions, and a range from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this machine does it all: air fry, bake, roast, slow cook, and more. It's like having a professional chef at your fingertips. Thanks to its 2024 upgraded ultra-fast convection system, this air fryer toaster oven cooks food 35% crispier and to X more evenly than traditional ovens. Whether you're grilling chicken, baking pizza, or making fries, you'll get perfect results every time. With its compact 3 OQT size, it's great for families or those who love entertaining. Plus, it's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe accessories. For those leading a busy lifestyle, the NutriBullet Pro Plus is your ultimate kitchen companion. With 1,200 watts of power, this blender extracts every bit of nutrition from fruits and veggies, giving you the most nutrient-dense smoothies possible. It even has a pulse function, perfect for making chunky salsas or blending ice into a smooth drink in just 60 seconds. Its sleek design fits perfectly on your kitchen counter, and it comes with a to-go lid for those busy mornings. Simply twist off the blades, and it's dishwasher safe for an easy cleanup. Whether you're into fitness or just want a healthier diet, the NutriBullet Pro Plus has you covered. There you have it, 5 Amazon gadgets that are absolutely essential for 2024. Whether you're improving your golf game, enhancing your child's learning, keeping your home pet hair free, upgrading your kitchen, or boosting your nutrition, these products deliver in every way. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Cut for more in-depth tech and gadget reviews, and check out the product links in the description to grab your favorite items today. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and as always, keep exploring the latest in tech.